Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Jindal, a 6th grader from Punjab, India. Today, I would like to share my experience with TenByTen with you. TenByTen in December 2019. Well, we decided to take a 1-week course for beginners to try TenByTen. Dr. Sonal Kukreja, Chief Mentor and founder of TenByTen, was the course in charge. Well, that 1 week was nothing else but incredible. I learned many things in that week. I learned how to make games, how to make animations, and I even covered the concept of machine learning in that particular 1 week. After a lot more courses, I was ready for something big. I participated in Codivore 2020 AI, in which 99 plus countries participated in different age groups. Well, I happily registered and submitted my project, the Prevent a Corona 2000. When the results came out, I checked the website. I scrolled down and guess what? I found myself on the space for the first runner-ups. I was very happy. I was jumping with joy and excitement. It was the most that moment was the most beautiful moment I've ever had. I was much proud. I didn't expect myself to do this well. That I will stand as a first runner-up in a worldwide competition someday. And well, the full credit goes to the TenByTen teachers working very hard for me and giving me time to achieve this position. Well, they were always there for me whenever I had a doubt, whenever I wanted some help, and I could not achieve this position without them. I would always like to learn from TenByTen. Thank you, TenByTen.